Hey everyone, the members of Paw Patrol left the assistant some cool toys to look for in the Paw Patrol Lookout. See the assistant there? We're gonna look all through the Lookout to find these cool Black Panther, PJ Masks, and Paw Patrol toys. Let's go!
Hey everybody, let's look for the toys that Paw Patrol left me!
That's right, assistant. We're gonna look inside the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower!
Whoa!
Let's go!
Okay.
So you get up first, and then I'm gonna go up, and we're gonna see all the cool toys, okay?
Okay!
Alright, so here we go. The assistant's already up in the tower. Hi, assistant!
Hi!
So here we are, up in the lookout tower, right?
I spotted our first thing.
What did you find? Look at all the things that they left for us.
A mini sky.
Oh, a little mini sky! That was nice of them to leave. Let's take to the sky.
She's gonna fly! Woo!
Why don't we have her go down the Paw Patrol slide, right? The lookout slide.
Okay.
So we're looking for the, oh, you were gonna put that down.
The slide.
The slide. So,
Let's do it when we go down.
okay, so you're gonna put it right
Put
there.
it right there.
So let's see what you can find up here.
I found this.
It's the
Black Panther.
It's the Black Panther's hand, right? Show me how it works.
Do you want me to shoot it that way?
Sure, shoot it that way. Whoa, you shot it right off the tower. You wanna shoot
Let's have another bullet.
it? So she's got it. Let's look at that. So look, it's the Black Panther's hand, right?
Right now.
And then fire it at me so we can see it. So fire it nice and low so it'll fly off. Whoa, pretty cool, assistant.
Now do you want to see how high it can go?
Wait a minute, I think that there was something else over there for Black Panther, wasn't there?
It's the Black Panther mask.
Black Panther mask. You should put that on and then fire it, right?
Right.
So here's the Black Panther mask, and look, it even lights up, right? So you push right here, and it lights up. And then, like, look, she's got Black Panther eyes. She's got the assistant's eyes.
Cool. Where do you put that?
Right there. So, ready? Black Panther eyes.
That's when he's done with battle rifle.
Oh, could be. Okay, assistant. So now you can pick up,
I'm gonna be Black Panther for now.
and then she can fire her thing. Ready?
Ready?
So she's got it on. Show us how it works.
So, say there's someone bad right there.
Say Romeo's trying to get into our lookout tower, right?
Yeah, Romeo's trying to get into our lookout tower, but I think not.
She thinks not. Show us.
I got
Whoa!
Romeo.
Good job. So, hey, people at home, did you like the movie Black Panther?
I liked it.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, right? All right, so that is the Black Panther mask. But assistant, I see another mask down here. It's Blue from Jurassic World.
You're right. I'll put my Black Panther eyes on and take this off. I like wearing that mask.
You like the Black Panther mask? I think it's pretty cool too. So here's Blue. I love this mask. Whoa, look at her. Okay, assistant, show us how it works. Whoa, just now close it a little bit. Open it just a little bit. Hear it growl? Whoa, it's like Blue from Jurassic World. Assistant, you look like an actual dinosaur.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So look at Blue's eyes. Ready? So turn your head, assistant, so we can see Blue's eyes. So there's his eyes. Whoa. Now open up your mouth. Oh, it came off. So watch, when she moves her mouth, the eyes move. Ready? Close your mouth and now open it. Isn't that cool?
It does, honestly.
So whenever you...
Oh, I see it.
Isn't that neat? Alright, so we can play with that all day, but we've got more things to find.
I like this Black Panther mask because it would be like, if he's undercover, be like that. And if he doesn't want to be undercover,
He opens them up. And then look, he's got the light. You can push right here for the light. It might be kind of hard to see, but it turns blue, doesn't it?
yeah, you only can see it in the dark.
That's right. Alright, assistant, I see the next surprise that Paw Patrol left for us.
Okay, I'll take off this super cool Black Panther mask.
And then look, right there, it's a bubbler. Look at all the bubbles. All the bubbles coming off the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower, right?
Bubbles, 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 bubbles.
Wow. So that's a bubble. Oh, wait a minute, we gotta put Sky.
Gotta pop one.
We gotta take Sky and have her go down it, right?
Okay, do you want to see me pop a big one?
Sure.
Oh, the wind's that way, so. Never mind.
We'll get it
I
later.
pop this little one.
Alright, so there's the There's our
so
bubbler.
here Sky goes.
So now Sky's gonna go down. Ready, Sky? Let's take it to the sky. Now the assistant gets to go down.
Sky's down on the ground. Do you want to see where she landed?
We'll see when we go down. All right, assistant goes down first.
Okay, I won't move her.
All
She
right.
landed off the slide, so
Okay, and then I think there's surprises outside of here too. So down the tower we go. Let's see if we can find the assistant while we go down. Hey, wait a minute. That's a Marshall's fire truck. Oh, wow. And there's the assistant. Hi, assistant.
hi.
Pretty cool.
Almost to the end.
There's the fire truck. Oh, and there's Rubble's digger. Wow. And right here, you're right. And there's Sky. You found her. Take to the sky, right? Okay, assistant. So you've got Sky. Now let's see if we can find any toys around here. So Sky's flying. Wait a minute. Right there by the slide, we saw one. It's Jurassic Rex, right?
Right.
Hey, watch. He can roar. Open his mouth.
Just like Blue.
Yeah, but that's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah. There's a big difference.
There it is. And look, if you turn the little knob on his head, his eyes change colors. So it goes down. Now watch. Turn right here, and his eyes green right now. And then you go back up, and then watch. You turn this. Watch. Now his eyes turning orange. You see it?
Or like a reddish orange.
Green, and then like a reddish orange. That's how you know if he's mad, right?
Yeah. So if you mess with them, if he's not being messed with, he's happy.
Or if
But-
he's trying to hunt other dinosaurs, right?
Yeah, his eyes would be red.
All right, well, that's cool. I'm glad we found our T-Rex. All right, we got to keep looking, assistant. All right, assistant, let's keep looking, okay?
Okay,
So we found our T-Rex.
and we went down the slide.
Wait a minute, it's Jack Jack, right there, from The Incredibles.
Oh,
Hi, Jack Jack. Hey, Jack Jack, what are you gonna do? Are you tired? Whoa, 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 he's running. Assistant, ready? He's gonna run. Oh, he fell. All right, ready? Let's see if we can run again. Ready, assistant? Push his hand.
this is when he's mad.
What are you saying, Jack? Jack, look, you're coming at us. You're coming at us. Where are you going? Jack, Jack, you fell.
Let's start him again.
Jack, Jack, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Jack, Jack?
Okay, here he goes.
There he goes. He's off and running.
Well, we better get to the fire truck.
Yeah. Bye, Jack, Jack. We'll see you in a few minutes, okay, buddy?
Bye, Jack Jack.
All right. So we've got to go to the fire truck now.
I'll go in it.
So the assistant's gonna go in.
Whoa! There's a lot of stuff in here.
So that's Marshall's fire truck. He had it parked right outside the lookout tower, right?
Probably for us, we could find it easily.
Yeah.
So,
So the assistant, are you inside of there?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
So she's gonna poke her head out. Oh, there she is. All right, let's see what surprises you found inside the fire truck. Marshall's fire truck.
Catboy!
You found Catboy. I think he was trying to go for a ride in the fire truck. I wouldn't mind. So thank you, Catboy. Super Cat speed. Woo, woo, woo.
A Vampirina bag.
Oh, it's Vampirina's purse. It looks like she went batty, right?
Right, and there's something else in here, but
So
I
that's
have to go
Vampirina's
all
bag?
the way back.
Okay. She's gonna go back inside the fire truck.
Here I
Come
go.
out the back end and we'll see what you found, assistant.
Okay. Ah, I'm back out.
Oh, you found a Mickey Mouse. Let's put him on the tower and let's see what he can do, okay?
Okay.
So let's push, I think you push his hand. Mickey? Show us what you can do, buddy.
It's time for Hot Diggity Dances.
Hot diggity.
It's the most terrific fun we've ever had. Come on, dance with me.
So look at him dance.
Yeah, that's so fun. Woo!
Oh, look at him. Assistant, can you do a dance like that? You try to match him.
Okay. It's the match game.
People, can you dance like Mickey Mouse? Try to dance like Mickey Mouse. Now he bends down. And now he turns around. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hey, that was from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, right?
Right.
Super cool.
Look!
Now we're going inside the lookout. Look, you found the Paw Patroller.
What?
Right? That's the Paw Patroller. Look at Wow. But roll it toward me, assistant. Wait a minute. Look who's going for a ride on it. It's Everest. Hi, Everest.
Roll him back to me.
All right, ready? I'm going to roll the Paw Patroller back to the assistant. There you go, assistant.
Hot potato.
Hot Wait a minute. We got some toys right there, too. What are they?
Time to be a hero.
Whoa! You know what these are, don't you?
What? They're back.
They're from PJ Masks. They're the cars.
Ready?
Wait a second. You roll it to. You get to go to me, and I'll get to go to you.
Time to be a hero.
Whoa! Ready? Here goes Catboy. Oh, they cracked.
Oh, Catboy.
Whoa! Catboy's way over there. All right, ready?
Time to be a hero.
Whoa! Oh, it's coming right at you, assistant.
You're gonna.
Whoa! Catboy!
Here, Gecko.
Gecko! Wow! Oh, I think Catboy got tired.
Time to be a hero.
And they talk to this. It says time to be a hero, right?
Fun.
It is fun. And they're all driving on the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower. Oh, there goes Gecko again. Oh, Catboy, you guys gotta go back to the assistant. Oh! Catboy, you actually.
Do you want to race?
Yeah, you can have them both race toward me. Well, I'll see who the winner is. Ready?
Okay, but they need to start at the same time. So I'll wait until this one.
All right, so I've got them ready. Ready?
On your mark.
So they gotta race to my hand.
That's
which is right
it.
here.
Go. There we go.
Oh,
I think Catboy won it.
I think Catboy won too. But boy, that was close, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so that is the Race and Go PJ Masks cars, right? With Catboy and Gecko.
Yeah,
Here they go.
I think Gecko won that one.
Yeah, all right, well, we gotta keep looking for more surprises, right?
Wait, but there's another thing.
What?
I noticed it.
Oh, look! It's Elena the Avalor's guitar, right? She must have came and visited the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower.
Yeah.
Wow, assistant. You can play like Elena, right? Not quite as good. Alright, so you found Elena the Avalor's guitar. So we gotta keep looking. We still got Rubble's Digger to look for, right?
Yeah, look in.
Look inside. And I think there's something else over here on this side.
You go right here. Hi.
Hi, assistant! Wait a minute, there's a toy right there!
Hey, it's
It's the part of the Sea Patroller. It's the submarine.
yeah.
The Sub Patroller by Paw Patrol. Right? And watch, push the button. It makes fun sounds.
And you could bring out the wings.
Yeah, and it can like fly through the air, right? So lift it up and watch it fly through the air.
Ready? Which way, up or down?
Yeah, should it go up or should it go down?
I say up.
Okay, so up it goes. Whoa! Flying through
And
the
it
air.
could also do this if it's really an airplane.
That's right. And it makes all kinds of cool sounds.
Yep, and you can open.
Oh, you know what? There's no one here. That's why the Sub Patroller is not. That's so they can look at it like right there, right?
Whoa.
And no one's inside.
Yeah, so they're gonna go diving into the sea. So we gotta put these up, and then this was down. Now this has to go up so they can see, because they can't probably
yeah.
see everything in here.
Good point. All right, so let's go look at Rubble's Digger, right?
Bigger!
Wait a minute, there's something right here in the front of it.
It's Rubble's Digger.
And Rubble's digger inside of his digger. It's the Sea Patrol digger, right? So that's so he can go into the ocean and do some digging.
Yeah, like this. If you look on the ground, I can get. So this is like seaweed, and he needs to get it so his friends can go through. He scoops it up and moves it over there.
Good job.
Scoops it up, moves it over there. Scoops it up, moves it over there.
And this is the digger, so we need to go inside of it and see what's inside of it, okay?
Okay.
So here's
The door's right here.
Rubble's digger. What do you see in there, assistant?
I see about 2 things in here, but they're really cool.
Really? What did you find?
Super cool. There's this Elastigirl.
Oh, it's an
On the
Elastigirl.
back, you see how far it can stretch.
Well, we're gonna wait for you. Well, I'll pull this out of the box, and you show me what else is in there. We're gonna play with this next, right?
Okay. So the next thing that we have is, drumroll please.
Hey, that's George from the movie Rampage.
Yeah.
Mega George. Whoa, he's a big-looking gorilla.
Told you there's something cool.
What's that?
This monkey.
It's George from Rampage. So why don't you get out and let's show me him?
Okay.
So here's George. Whoa, I wouldn't want to come across this guy, would you? You'd be pretty like.
He looks like King Kong.
He does. Now
But he
that's
has
from the
white
movie
fur.
Rampage. Now we've not seen Rampage yet, but it looks really good, doesn't it?
Yep.
So let's go back in front of the lookout tower.
Here's a full look at George.
Hey, George. All right. And now I'm going to give you what you can put him down in front of the lookout tower, and I'll give you Elastigirl.
Okay.
Now we're real excited for the movie Incredibles 2, right?
Yeah. It comes out, I think, in September.
It comes out June 15th.
Oh.
All right. So that's Elastigirl. Now you can watch what the assistant can do with Elastigirl.
So you step on her feet. I think.
Okay. That would hurt.
Whoops.
Assistant, you sit there, but then you. Oh, look at you stretching her! Whoa!
Foot.
Wait, I've got it. You get one leg, I'll get the other leg.
See how far she can stretch.
All right, you hand me one leg. Ready? You got the other one.
Oh.
Ready? And let's pull her! Wow, Elastigirl! Let go. It's pretty silly, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just joking around with you. But that's a fun way that you can play with Elastigirl, right?
Right.
So people at home, what was your favorite thing? Sister, what was your favorite thing that you saw?
I like the Black Panther mask.
You like the Black Panther mask. That was pretty cool. I like that too. People at home, did you like the Marshall's fire truck? Maybe Rubble's digger? Or maybe the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower was your favorite?
Tell us in the comments.
Tell us in the comments. Or have your parents tell us in the comments. And remember to have your parents subscribe to what?
Our channel, or the Engineering Family.
That's right. Make sure you subscribe. Check out TEF123, TEF Kids, and TEF.
Animal Channel.
That's right. Those are our other channels. Okay, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.